Welcome to today's episode of Tech Tales, where we explore the fascinating world of retro computing and the tools that breathe new life into classic technologies. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the realm of Calypsi, a series of C compiler and assembly language cross-compiler toolchains that have captured the attention of retro enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Calypsi? Well, it's a specialized toolset designed not just for those nostalgic for the golden days of computing, but also for hobbyists wanting to develop for older systems. Think of it as a bridge connecting modern programming techniques to retro platforms. How cool is that? Calypsi currently supports multiple targets, including the famous MOS 6502 and WDC 65816 processors, right up to the Motorola 68000 series. These were all groundbreaking at their time, powering everything from early PCs to game consoles. It's as if you're getting a time machine to relive those computing moments. Speaking of the MOS 6502, did you know it was used in classics like the Commodore 64? Imagine crafting your own programs for that legendary machine today. Calypsi's tools make this possible, offering an ISO C99 compiler. This isn't just any compiler. It's an optimizing compiler capable of outputting source-level debugging information, which, makes life a lot easier when you're tracking down those pesky bugs. Now let's touch on the highlights. The toolchain supports a plethora of features, from variable-sized arrays to complete struct and union support, things computer scientists often rave about. And here's a kicker: it supports floating-point operations. If you've ever tried coding with limited resources, you'll appreciate how vital this can be. But here's where it gets interesting. While the tools are closed source, Calypsi freely allows hobbyists to experiment without the worry of licensing fees, unless you make your living off it. This accessibility opens the door for a whole new generation of developers. If you're creating something purely for fun or education, Calypsi might just be your new best friend. And there's something truly unique about projects involving the HP41 NUT. Unlike other targets, users can utilize the HP41 tools for commercial ventures, which is quite rare. It's like finding a hidden gem in the world of retro tech. Let's not forget about the rich ecosystem of open-source projects that spring from these compiler tools. From Commodore board support to debugging agents, and even projects for newer retro computers like the C256U, Calypsi offers a platform for creativity. You could create a simple Hello World program that runs on an Amiga, or delve deep into producing functionalities for retro-inspired systems. Now, I can only imagine how vivid the coding sessions must be for folks working with these tools, reminiscing about the clunky yet charming computers they once used. If you're one of those who have fond memories of tapping away at the keyboard, wouldn't it be great to see what you've created flash back to life in your living room? That's what Calypsi is all about, bringing that retro charm back into our digital lives. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the essence of Calypsi. It's a homage to the innovators of the past, a playground for hobbyists, and a toolkit for those that still dream in bytes and bits. So, if you've got a passion for retro programming, maybe it's time to dust off that old hardware and give it a whirl. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Tales. If you enjoyed our exploration of Calypsi, be sure to tune in next time, where we'll uncover more hidden treasures in the world of technology. Until then, keep dreaming big and coding hard.